I saw you on a Sunday in a cafe, and all you did was look my way. And my heart started to race. Then my hands started to shake. Yeah. I heard you asked about me through a friend, and my adrenaline kicked in. 'Cause I've been asking about you too. And now we're right here in this room. I get a little bit nervous around you, get a little bit stressed out, and I think about you, get a little excited. Baby, when I think about you, yeah. Talk a little too much, I talk a little too much, yeah. Get a little self-conscious, I get a little self-conscious. When I think about you, get a little excited. I get a little excited when I think about you. Yeah, when I think about you, babe. We walked in the rain, a couple blocks to your apartment. You told me to come inside, caught me staring in your eyes. And I'm not usually like this, but I like what you're doing to me. What you're doing to me. I get a little bit nervous, I get a little nervous, get a little bit stressed out.